Time for another vintage machinery clone comparison. This machine here is a Jet cabinet saw, 40th anniversary edition. These have been around for quite some time, very popular, but if you look at these internals and you've ever opened up a Unisaw, you see something quite familiar. So there's that. Now let me slide over here to a Unisaw, and there's that. Alright, so you can see that they have duplicated the design almost exactly. And on the positive side, it is a time-tested and proven design. And so that comparison really makes it clear.
And here we can really tell if we look at the trunnions and the trunnion brackets, the yoke and the arbor bracket, even the dust shroud around the blade, all of it is very similar. Really, the main difference is the way the motor mounts to the internals. The Unisaw motor, the bracket is connected to the motor, and then the Jet motor has a mounting bracket that bolts to the motor and then connects to the internals.
One of the positive things about this Jet being a clone of the Unisaw is that some of the parts are interchangeable. For example, these locking knobs are the same thread and same length on the pin. And then also these pointer brackets use the same type of bullets or plugs. And so sometimes you can use Jet replacement parts on some of these things that are the same for a Unisaw. I've done that a few times. I've purchased some of these Jet knobs when I wasn't able to find any of these original Unisaw knobs, and they work just fine if you have the locking pin style, not the wedge style. And then also these plugs that go inside the pointer bracket right here, I purchased some of those and they are the same as well. So that is one of the positives.
And for those of you who might be restoring or refurbing or repairing one of your first table saws, this is just how you put the plugs in the elevation shaft properly. It's a pretty simple process on Jets and Deltas and several other table saws that use this design. First, you have to put the plugs or bullets in the shaft, then you put the pointer bracket over it, and use a screwdriver to tighten it down. Then you put the fiber washer on, and then the key in the keyway, and then the hand wheel. Again, this design is used on many styles of table saws. Pretty simple process. And so here's what it looks like when it's all cleaned up. Cleaned up very nice, ready for fresh new life. And then also here you can see I added a side extension table to make full use of the Wiesmeyer style fence with full capacity.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.